In the field of woodworking, there exist powerful woodworking machines that perform at an extraordinary level. These formidable machines embody efficiency and precision in woodworking. Join me in watching the entire video to see the advancement of machinery in the forestry sector. 150C circular saw, crafted and produced in Australia, stands as a masterpiece in the woodworking realm. Boasting a potent motor and razor-sharp blades, it effortlessly slices through wood with remarkable precision, handling diameters of up to 650 m. Next, we have a Multitech 2040 firewood processing machine. In 2023, it was deemed the fastest firewood processing machine of the year. Ugly logs are often too large and are often used as firewood, but it is difficult to turn them into firewood without using machines like this. One often mentioned cold location in the United States is Alaska, where residents often use wood splitters like this one to get fuel for use and protect against harsh weather conditions. Next is a Bell's 8000 firewood handling machine, weighing up to 56 tons. Can you believe that in one day it can produce 500 tons of firewood?
Return on investment with its high production potential, the Rex 600 is an ideal machine. Maximum block height is 450 millimeters. It will comfortably split all species of Australian hardwoods and solid wood with very little wastage. The Rex 600 maneuver the block with a splitting blade from the elevator for discharge to delivery trucks or to a stockpile.
With a capacity of 60 horsepower, is it easy to turn large diameter logs like this into firewood? If you want us to make a video about any content, please remember to leave a comment. Next, let's learn about milling machines, which are used to create complex shapes on the surface of wood by removing material from the surface.
The saw, the bigger diameter log that can be milled. At the end of the day, the Speedy Mill's modular components make
Have you ever wanted to have your own sawmill to cut wood for your projects? With this Frontier OS 2.3 machine, you can do that easily. Portable saws like the LX50 Super help you easily move anywhere you want. This is the Maho Super Saw from 10 years ago, but up to now its ability to work is still very effective.
The Mahoy Supermill is a must-have feature.
The MR200 bandsaw is a specialized product used in large wood processing factories. In less than 1 minute, it can turn large logs into small wooden panels. People use a lot of wooden materials, and wood processing systems like this are becoming more and more common. This is a UCL sawmill in South Africa. They utilize a Titan multi-rip wood cutting machine. While not the latest model, it remains instrumental in their wood processing operations. MEBA HTZ 1200 Plus is a horizontal bandsaw specialized for sawing softwood 100% automatically. This technology can help people save a lot of time and effort. It's really modern, isn't it? Have you ever seen this machine? Now, there aren't many 72 peelers still working today. Nice to see it again. Halverson 150 has the ability to handle wood and can also move very flexibly. Heavy jobs like this can now be done more simply. HWP 150 is a machine with a hydraulically adjustable wedge and a longer handle that opens parallel to the log. It cuts logs very easily, and the price for such a great machine is only $3,000. With superior cutting capabilities and advanced automation, these woodworking machines are capable of handling large-scale production with ease. Thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to support us.